from ELJ Bulacan.
Happy birthday, Sir Joven, Ma'am Tita, and this year. We pray to God will grant you long life and good health. We are so grateful and thankful that we are part of this company from Mulbrow, Bulacan. Happy birthday, Sir Joven, Ma'am Tita, Miss Claire. We love you from Bulacan. Happy birthday, Sir Joven, Ma'am Tita, and Miss Claire.
Wishing you all a wonderful birthday from
Raswan, Bulacan.
Hep Hep.
Hooray! Happy birthday, Sir Joven, Ma'am Tita, and Miss Claire from British Bulacan. Yay! From Sibia, Bulacan, Sir Joven, Ma'am Tita, and Miss Elena Claire. Magulong ko kami pamahali sa inyong kaarawan. Daghang salamat po.
Happy birthday, Sir Joven, Ma'am Lita, and Miss Claire. Good health and enjoy life. God bless.
Happy birthday, Sir Joven, Ma'am Tita, and Miss Claire from Apple, Bulacan. Happy birthday, Sir Joven, good and Ma'am Claire. More blessings and good health from Orchid, Bulacan. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Sir Joven, Ma'am Tita, and Miss Claire. More birthday to Ma'am, and God bless your family always. From Ensign, Bulacan.
Pinabati po namin kayo ng maligayang kaarawan. Sir Joven Ibon, Ma'am Lita at Ma'am Elena. Mahal po namin ang inyong maayos na pagsugat at sa buong pamilya. Daghang kaayong salamat sa inyo. Happy birthday sa inyo from Carnation, Bulacan. God bless you.
Happy birthday po, Sir Kibon. We love you from Paris, Bulacan.
Happy birthday, Sir Joven, Ma'am Lita, and Miss Claire from Lower Bulacan.
Happy birthday, Sir Joven, Ma'am Lita, Miss Claire. We love you from Monterey, Bulacan.
Happy birthday, Sir, from Limited Farm. Happy birthday, Sir, and Ma'am Lita from Irish, Bulacan. Happy birthday, Ma'am Elena, Ma'am Lita, and Sir Joven from Newell, Bulacan. We are from Velvet, Bulacan, wishing you a happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Joven, Ma'am Lita, and Miss Claire from JJQ, Bulacan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.